Did you know that choosing the wrong synthetic oil can quietly destroy your engine from the inside out, long before warning lights ever appear? Oil labs in the U.S. report that up to 40% of premature engine failures are caused by poor lubrication, sludge buildup, and oil breakdown. All because most drivers simply grab whatever bottle looks good on the shelf. But here is the twist. The best synthetic oils can also extend your engine life past 300,000 miles, boost fuel economy, and keep turbochargers spotless. In this video, we are revealing the 9 best synthetic oils trusted by mechanics, engineers, and high-mileage drivers, and exposing the 5 worst oils that could quietly destroy your engine. First, let's discuss the 9 best synthetic oils that can make your engine run like new again. Let's dive in. Number 9. Mobil 1. Extended Performance Mobil 1. Extended Performance is one of the most trusted synthetic oils on the market, engineered to withstand up to 20,000 miles between changes when conditions allow. It offers exceptional resistance to oxidation and breakdown at high RPMs, making it a favorite for both commuter cars and performance vehicles. What makes it so impressive is its ability to maintain stable viscosity even when engines are pushed past 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It flows instantly during cold starts, preventing the metal-on-metal grinding that causes over 70% of engine wear. Its detergent package reduces carbon buildup, keeping piston rings and lifters clean while improving fuel economy. Drivers who switch often notice quieter idle, smoother throttle response, and longer-lasting timing chains. If you want a balance of convenience, cleanliness, and extreme protection, this oil sits at the top for a reason. Number 8. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge is all about pressure resistance, and its titanium additive technology helps the oil remain stable when metal surfaces are under stress at high load or speed. Under extreme heat, cheaper oils thin out, but Castrol Edge maintains its viscosity to avoid metal-to-metal contact. This oil is especially good for modern direct injection engines that generate more combustion heat. Drivers often report smoother acceleration. In long-term tests, Castrol Edge leaves noticeably fewer deposits, making it great for engines already showing signs of wear. If you want maximum horsepower retention, this is a top pick. Number 7. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline is legendary among mechanics for its strong detergent package that not only prevents sludge, but gradually dissolves existing buildup in older engines. This is incredibly valuable if you bought a used car with questionable maintenance history. The oil's friction modifiers reduce wear on cam lobes, lifters, and rocker arms, especially during cold startups. Valvoline also stabilizes viscosity, which is ideal for desert climates in the day and cool nights. Many drivers switching to this oil experience reduced oil consumption because it helps recondition seals. It's excellent for towing, hills, and city stop-and-go driving, where heat builds rapidly. If your engine is aging or you want it to age gracefully, Valvoline is a smart choice. Number 6. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is unique because it's made from natural gas, not crude oil. This process results in an ultra-pure base oil with fewer contaminants, which means less sludge and varnish inside your engine. It is a favorite among sports car owners and has been factory recommended by brands like Ferrari. This oil offers excellent heat resistance at high RPMs, which is a common issue in modern turbo engines. In used oil analysis reports, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently shows lower wear metals like iron and copper, meaning parts last longer. Drivers report cleaner timing chains and quieter turbo spool over time. If engine cleanliness is your priority, this oil is a chemical masterpiece. Number 5. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic. Royal Purple is engineered for enthusiasts who demand both protection and performance. Its standout feature is the Cinerlec additive, which bonds to metal surfaces, reducing friction even after shutdown when oil drains away. This dramatically reduces startup wear, which accounts for over 70% of engine damage. It also improves horsepower slightly due to less frictional loss, making it popular in street and track builds. Royal Purple excels in high-temperature environments where lesser oils shear and thin out. If you want an oil that protects aggressively and improves throttle response, this is a premium choice worth the price. Number 4. AMSOIL Signature Series. AMSOIL Signature Series is regarded as one of the highest-end oils on the consumer market because it pushes oxidation resistance to extreme levels. It can withstand oil temperatures that would break most synthetics during towing, off-roading, or highway hill climbs. Many fleet operators use AMSOIL because it extends drain intervals to 25,000 miles in ideal conditions, saving money and downtime. Its advanced anti-wear additives reduce camshaft scoring and protect hydraulic lifters, which can cost over $1,500 to repair. AMSOIL is also known for quieting valve tick in older engines due to its stable viscosity retention. Compared to conventional oils, it provides dramatically cleaner piston rings, preventing compression loss and power drop. If you want absolute endurance, AMSOIL is the king of longevity. Number 3. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. Originally built for diesel engines, Rotella T6 became a cult favorite among turbocharged gasoline drivers, especially those who modify their vehicles. Its high detergent load keeps soot and carbon from clogging oil passages, which protects bearings under high boost. It holds viscosity under insane heat, preventing the oil film from collapsing during extended highway pulls or towing. Off-roaders praise its ability to resist dust contamination that is a common silent killer. Rotella also prevents shear under high pressure, which is crucial for engines with aggressive cam profiles. Many drivers report reduced turbo lag and lower oil consumption due to its thicker, stable film. If you drive in brutal conditions, Rotella behaves like armor plating for your engine. Number 2. Liqui Moly Synthol Premium. Liqui Moly is a German oil designed for precision European engines, especially those prone to timing chain wear, like certain BMW and Audi models. It uses molybdenum friction modifiers to protect moving parts under ultra-tight tolerances. This oil dramatically reduces valve train noise and smooths idle in engines with complicated variable valve timing systems. Drivers love that Liqui Moly reduces oil consumption in engines with worn valve seals. Over time, this oil forms a thin anti-wear coating that stays even after drains, offering cumulative protection. If you want OEM-grade precision and quietness, this oil is whisper-smooth perfection. Number 1. Redline High Performance Synthetic. Redline uses an ester-based formula rarely found in consumer oils. This chemistry naturally sticks to metal like a magnet, giving outstanding startup protection. It has exceptional film strength, meaning the oil layer stays intact even under brutal RPM and heat. Therefore, it is a top choice for track days, spirited driving, and engines that regularly reach high RPMs. Drivers report stronger acceleration, faster turbo spool, and improved temperature stability. If you demand racing-grade protection for a street engine, Redline is the closest thing to motorsport oil you can buy for daily use. Number 5. Cheap, no-name online oils. The booming online marketplace is full of unregulated oil being imported from unknown sources. Many of these oils are blended using the cheapest Group 3 base stocks available, which means they oxidize faster and turn into sludge much sooner under heat. Their additive packages are often minimal, missing vital detergents, anti-wear compounds, and friction modifiers that prevent internal scoring. When tested in hot climates or turbocharged engines, these oils shear down rapidly, losing viscosity until they behave like water. Bearings and piston skirts grind against each other, slowly shaving metal particles that circulate through the oil like sandpaper. Over time, valves gum up, timing chains stretch, idle becomes rougher, and engines lose compression silently. Number 4. Generic store brand synthetic oils. Generic store brand oils often source their base oil from the cheapest suppliers, and their additive packages are stripped down to meet bare minimum API certifications. These oils break down rapidly under heat, leading to sludge formation around piston rings and oil control passages. Their viscosity shears faster, meaning they become thinner after just a few thousand miles, increasing friction on bearings and camshafts. Many lab samples show poor oxidation resistance. When tested in turbocharged engines, store brands left carbon deposits and cooked into hard residue. Over time, this translates into rough idle, power loss, and expensive timing chain wear. Cheap oil upfront becomes very expensive later. Number 3. Racing synthetic oils used in daily drivers. Some drivers buy racing-labeled oils, thinking they will get more performance, but these formulas are designed for engines rebuilt every season, not daily driving. Racing oils often lack essential detergents because race engines are torn down frequently and don't need long-term cleanliness. Without detergents, sludge quietly builds in everyday engines, choking oil passages and sticking rings. Many racing oils also run extremely thin at high temperature, which can starve bearings in street cars idling in traffic. They are engineered for wide-open throttle, not stop-and-go commuting. Using racing oil daily is like feeding an athlete nothing but candy. Fast energy, zero longevity. Long-term, you will face misfires, oil burning, and thick sludge in the valve cover. Number 1. Off-brand synthetic high-mileage oils with excessive seal conditioners. High-mileage oils can be great when produced by reputable brands, but some cheap versions overload the formula with aggressive seal conditioners. These chemicals swell rubber seals to mask leaks, but the swelling becomes permanent, causing seals to soften and lose structural integrity. Over months, seals deform, injectors begin to drip oil residue, and rear main seals fail. A repair that can cost $800 to $1,500. Behind the scenes, these oils also rely on lower-quality base stocks to reduce cost, causing rapid vaporization and oil burning. Excessive smoke, poor compression, and fouled spark plugs often follow. In the long run, these oils trade short-term patchwork for long-term destruction. And there you have it. The difference between oils that can push your engine comfortably past 300,000 miles and the cheap blends that quietly destroy your engine. Most drivers never realize the damage until it is already too late. But now you know exactly which oils protect horsepower, improve fuel economy, and keep your engine running smooth for years. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive secrets, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the tips that save engines. See you in the next video.